कितें म्हण बायज डिसिजन जालें?
ग्रामसभा डिस्कशन्स चलताली आमची आनी सगळे बरे भशेन सडनली एन इन्सिडंट हॅपन इन्सिडंट जालो सो दॅट पर्सन इज टेकन टू द हॉस्पिटल अँड budget is been passed and the remaining proposals will take it in the other Gram Sabha we said. If at all before that, now since this bond wall issue also is there, no? So if at all people want to come approach me in any way they want any queries are there from their side, they can. I'm always open with the panchayat members, we are always open for their queries.
Ma'am, one question that came about this 25,000 tax fee. Some of the villagers are requesting to bring it down to 10,000. Will you be thinking about this, or will you have meeting on this?
We will be thinking.
MLA सांगला नाही
Yeah.
सगळे पंचायती खातीर कॉमन आहे
कितें म्हणटा?
MLA has spoken in general, they'll put it in the assembly, he said, and in general they will make a fixed amount of the
For all the
transfer of
panchayats in
house tax for all the panchayats in all over Goa.
fees
Transfer
fees.
But you would not discuss this in your meeting because this what they were requesting.
Yes, of
Because
course we will
government
discuss it.
decisions takes time.
Yeah.
But if all the villagers are ready, including you, then will you be able to take that decision
Yes,
for the?
definitely we will take it in the body meeting.
So if a panchayat can decrease also fee or no, or you are waiting till the government decision come.
So we'll have to decide in the body meeting first
Yeah.
how we can go about it. Accordingly
So-
we will take a decision.
So second thing, madam, this now today's Gram Sabha was stopped in the between. It is due to the some medical emergency. Will this same Gram Sabha will continue, because only one issue was discussed and it is not solved also, but there is many more issues to be solved. So this will be continue, or you are taking the fresh Gram Sabha again?
We pass the budget in this Gram Sabha
Yeah.
and the proposals which are left we'll be taking it in the next Gram Sabha.
Next Gram Sabha.
Yeah.
So this Gram Sabha won't be continue for this.
It is over. But if at all if there is any problem among the villagers, we can always approach us. We are there in the panchayat.
मॅडम रिगार्डिंग ॲम्ब्युलन्स जर आमी उलय जाल्यार हांगा लागीं तुजे कडेन ॲम्ब्युलन्स ना दिसता तशेंच PHC आहा हांगा तेचे कडेनय ना दिसता सो तुमी हेचेर कितें विचार करतले?
So because it's on today's fact, because it's just here.
emergency.
So it should not be happen in the future of Santa Cruz and surrounding. So we will take any step to demand the health minister or
We
something.
will write to the concerned authority, the health department, health minister. Yeah.
ओके तुमी फुडल्या फावटी ॲम्ब्युलन्स दवरतले तुमचे कडेन?
Yeah, since this has happened now, it is our duty to keep.
So always we learn from the mistakes. So it has to be not done. Thank you. So आता आम्ही परत लाईव्ह येयल्या तुमच्या मुखार फ्रॉम सांताक्रूज ग्राम सभा हिंगा चालू आसली आनी तुमकां पळयल्यार कळटलें आमचे लायव्ह आहले तेन्ना आमी लायव्ह स्टॉप केल्ले सो तेन्ना कित्याक हिंगा एकलो सिनियर सिटीजन ओलाबियो म्हणून ताका कितें एटॅक वो फिक्स मारून येवन तो सकयल पडलो पळय तेन्ना आमी लायव्ह बंद केल्ले आनी तुमी आतां तो चॅक करीत जाल्यार कळटलें तो टायम आनी हो टायम कितलो जाला तो आनी हिंगा सांताक्रूज स्कूल कॉम्प्लेक्सान ताका हे प्रॉब्लम जाता थिंगा सांताक्रूज ग्राम सभा बंद केल्ली स्टॉप केल्ली आनी तेजे ट्रिटमेंट स्टार्ट केल्लो आनी एम्ब्युलन्साक कॉल केल्ले पूण सांगपाचें म्हटल्यार आतां टायम पळयत जाल्यार स्टॉप केला पळय तो आनी आतांचो लायव्ह आहा तो टायम पळयत जाल्यार हिंगा स्पॉटाचेर आजून एम्ब्युलन्स पावना 108 आनी हिंगा हेका ग्राम सभाक MLA प्रेजेंट आहलो आनी MLAन फर्स्ट एड बाय दिले आपणाची सेल्फ ताका ब्रिदींग बाय दिवन आनी मागीर प्रायवेट कारान घालून बाब एक्स MLA सांताक्रुजाचो विक्टर गोन्साल्वीस तेज्या कारान घालून ताका GMCन व्हेलो आनी GMCन व्हरून तेच्या फाटफाट इवन MLA गेलो पूण अनफॉर्च्युनेटली सॉरी टू टेल यू द पर्सन पास्ड अवे पूण सांगपाचें म्हटल्यार हिंगा सरावंडींग जस्ट 2 किलोमिटर्सांक GMC आहा आनी हिंगा सरावंडींग एरियेक आजून एम्ब्युलन्स पावोंक ना ह्या स्पॉटाचेर पूण मनीस हॉस्पिटलान पावन ही इज डिक्लेअर टू डेथ सो वॉट इज द सर्वीस ऑफ सरावंडींग टू द GMC हियर ही एरिया आहा पळय ताका आतां हेचेर कळटा आमकां सर्वीस कितली मेवता पळय ती सरावंडिंगाक तर ह्या 4 किलोमिटरांक एम्ब्युलन्साची सर्वीस कितली मेवता आनी फुडल्या एका लोकांक कोण विलेजीन आसता पळय तांकां कितें मेवतली ती आतां आमी गोंयकारांनी चिंतपाचें आनी 108 कशी ऑपरेट जाता हो व्हडलोच एक क्वेशन मार्क